The tropical rainforest. Trees. Big trees. Really, really big trees. Plants. On plants. Trees blocking sunlight.
Vertical stratification with trees in the canopy blocks sunlight from getting to the bottom strata. Many trees are covered with epiphytes, which are plants that grow on plants.
Warm temperatures.
The tropical rainforest has 200 to 400 centimeters of rainfall a year. At the same time, the average temperature is 25 to 29 degrees Celsius, so you can see that the temperature doesn't vary very much.
Frogs. Monkeys. Snakes. Birds. Lots of birds.
There are millions of species in the tropical rainforest. There's anywhere between 5 million and 30 million undescribed species found in the tropical rainforest.